Hello and welcome to a WordPress installation demo on a local MAMP or a WAMP server. MAMP stands for Mac, Apache, MySQL, PHP. It allows you to turn your local computer into a web server so you can develop and create WordPress-based websites and view them. I'm going to assume that MAMP or WAMP has been installed on your machine already and that you have Apache and MySQL servers running. As you can tell, the green lights next to Apache server and MySQL server confirm that the two servers are running. WordPress requires both these servers to run properly. So we'll go ahead and start with downloading WordPress from wordpress.org. Click on download WordPress 4.1.1, which is the latest version. It'll take you to the download link, which will allow you to download WordPress. So we will go ahead and save it inside the MAMP folder. In MAMP, you will see a folder called htdocs. This is where all your local websites are stored and created. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to call the site demo, and we're going to save wordpress.zip inside the demo folder. Once WordPress has been downloaded, you will see a zip file appearing in the demo folder that we have just created. Please note that in WAMP, the htdocs folder is called the www folder. So, once WordPress has been downloaded, you can see the zip file in the demo folder. Go ahead and unzip the WordPress files. Note that when you unzip the files, there's a folder called WordPress created. This will mean that your website will actually be at localhost/demo/WordPress. To have your WordPress website at localhost/demo, we'll have to move all these files one level above in the directory structure, which is simply to move all the files from inside the folder to inside the demo folder. We are now ready to start setting up our WordPress website. First, we must visit the website localhost/phpMyAdmin, where the M and the A are capital, to create the WordPress database where WordPress will store all the information. Simply go ahead and click on Databases, type in a name of a database. This name can be anything. However, if you name it connected to your website, it'll be easy to remember which database contains which website. Click Create to complete the database creation process. This has now set up a database called Demo, where we will create our brand new WordPress website. Let's go ahead and start the WordPress installation by visiting localhost/demo. As you can remember, demo is the folder where we downloaded and extracted WordPress. By visiting localhost/demo, we will be brought to the WordPress installation step 1, where WordPress asks us to make a choice of language. We'll go ahead and choose English UK, click Continue. At this moment in time, WordPress takes you to the next step in the installation, where it will prompt you for the name of the database where it will store the website and some other details. We will change the database name to Demo because that is the database we had just created. The username and password here refer to your MySQL credentials and have nothing to do with the WordPress website. For MAMP users, they are simply the words root and root, as you can see. For WAMP users, the username is root and the password is either a blank or simply the word password, all lowercase. So try the two combinations, that is root and blank, empty password, or root and password, to see which one will work for your particular installation. The table prefix is just an identifier to tell you which tables inside the database refer to the website you're working with. So go ahead and change the default WP to a more meaningful table prefix. For more advanced WordPress users, you can have more than one website inside one SQL table, one SQL database, and therefore having the correct table prefix will help you identify which website the tables refer to. Next, we will click Submit to move into the next step of the WordPress installation process. WordPress is now confirming that it has managed to connect with the database and is ready for the next step in the installation. So we'll run the installation program now. At this point, WordPress is looking for some site-specific information. Site title is the name of your website, which will also appear inside the title tags in the header part of your website HTML. I am going to call it my demo site. The username is the WordPress administrator username that is used to access the dashboard to manage and create the website. Please do not use the word admin in any shape and form or combination as your username. Use something more meaningful and memorable. The use of the word admin has been linked to hacking attempts on WordPress websites, and therefore you refrain from using the word admin. Create a password. I'm going to use an extremely simple password because the site resides only on this computer. WordPress needs a valid email address for the installation to be completed. So provide one and hit install WordPress. At this moment in time, WordPress is now confirming that the installation has been completed. If we go back to phpMyAdmin and click on our database called demo, we can see that all the tables that WordPress requires have been created with the prefix demo _ as advised. To log into the WordPress dashboard, click the login button, enter the username that you just created and the password, and click login. This will take you to the WordPress dashboard from where you can manage your brand new WordPress website.